Good morning.
Morning. Hello, I'm Teemu Suninen. I'm rally driver, and here in Rally Japan I'm RNC driver. I will be working for Hayden Patton to make good weather notes for his pace notes. On Saturday morning we are waking up at 4 o'clock and leaving 4:30, so we have pretty early mornings.
Hello, my name's Jack Morton and I am here to be route note crew for Hayden Patton and John Kennard. It's Saturday morning, 4:30 in the morning, and we are heading out to stage 7.
So now we are making the GoPro ready, that we can film good videos for Hayden. Close on this track on the left. Oh, but it's not real mud, but very slippy.
Yeah.
Very slippy. The first one of the morning is done now. Was pretty straightforward. Not so many markings. I believe we can go with the full hearts, full attack.
Yeah, full attack.
Today.
Third on the road, so he needs to push.
So starting position is good. Conditions shouldn't change. Just on the last kilometer there is like 1, 2, 3 cuttings maybe, where we get a bit of loose gravel on the line. But should be good for us.
Sending the notes to our WhatsApp group so John can amend his notes this morning before he heads out of service, just to try and make his job a little bit easier, because I know how difficult it is with the amount of information that co-drivers get. So yeah, try to make the markings as clear as possible so it's easy for him to pick it up. What do you think for description?
Try no surprises.
Yeah.
The few slippy markings at the beginning is a bit like strong one compared to yesterday.
Yeah.
But there's a bit of moss or dust on those places.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
So now we are compressing the video to the smaller file that we can send it by phone to the Hayden, because the original files are quite big ones and the current network cannot handle it. So now we are waiting to get into the SS2 of today, or SS8.
What's the temperature now? Must be
Around 20.
yeah.
Getting like a summer.
Yeah. Summertime in Finland. So that's just reading the temperature and the pollution on the road, and then we can send it back to the team so then they can give the information to the drivers. Do you want to put damp starts? Yeah. 2 left plus. Nips.
That was really clean. Basically no markings. Just 1, 2 corners with a bit of loose gravel, but that's it. No surprises for the drivers. So they should enjoy a lot to drive this stage on these conditions.
You'd say consistent grip throughout the stage, yeah?
Yes. And then from the video we can take the pictures if we want to show something special. Yesterday we took the picture like just to inform that there is a bit of water in the exit of the corner. It doesn't really matter for the grip. But today being quite straightforward.
Yeah. Half 3 left plus line.
The previous left-hander corner, which was like 3+.
Yeah.
For me it was like late or tightening. This time it was a bit more interesting.
Yeah.
Like a bit more loose gravel in few places. A bit more dirt coming from trees and fallen leaves, like from like old falling leaves.
Trickier than
So a
the...
bit of dirt more on the tarmac.
Trickier than the first 2 stages.
Just had a bit more trickier place. One water was flowing over the road, so we will send the picture to the drivers to know exactly what's there. Because we cannot put the water because it's so small, but it have to be marked. So I believe on afternoon we get to do like proper markings. There will be that much cuttings and dirt coming from the inside of the roads.
But then Adrian went really well.
Yeah.
Hayden said these stages are so hard for the first time. It doesn't matter how many times I've watched the videos, everything looks the same because there's so many corners.
Yes, that's the problem. Like, it's hard to remember the corner. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
That's lunch at 9:43 in the morning. You have to say that. You're on camera. So now we wait because the guys do this stage 9 and 10 in the same direction. So we have to wait before we can go back into stage 10. So there's a meeting point that all the Route No crews have to stay at 16 minutes away until we get the heads up from the clerk of the course to then say that it's okay for us to go in. So the last car should start the stage in 2 hours, so we've got a bit of time now to kill, and then we wait to go into the stage so we can give the information for the second run to Hayden.
You have this note?
Yes, yes.
And,
So my co-driver Jack is in the car and he reads the base notes, and then I do like conditions changes, like loose gravel, slippy, very slippy. All right, Jack, are we good to go?
All of them have gone through.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Now number 5, 16.
Yeah, 20.
And you have 10 minutes and you arrive from that way.
Yeah.
And I think Batu and
Is that where they're
Pascal,
going?
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. We'll go and find.
Okay.
Someday we need to come to Japan to see what we can eat.
Inflation.
Moi j'ai pris ça.
What was that?
That's 20 grams protein to your body.
Just Hayden's message to ask us to check something in that stage. He hit open drain that must have been hit by one of the two Fords ahead of him. So he just wants us to check and add a don't into that corner. Into short, 2 left plus over crest. 4 right open.
So all good, found the place. It was what we expected.
2 quick, 3 right minus.
Send the videos now, notes now, and then we can add it later. Quite a lot loose gravel, quite tricky for drivers, and tricky to mark also because it's so busy for the co-drive, and then we cannot add too much information. So it's balancing between amount of the information and importance of the information. I think it was good.
Yeah.
The morning loop was a bit easier when it was like sunny and clean. We were one of the first cars, third car on the road, so it was easier. But then afternoon was getting a bit tricky and a lot of cuttings and some pollution to the stages, so we had a bit more important work to do.
Yeah.
Alright, it's 5:10 and we are finished from today. We had a long day since 4 o'clock, and now on the service we had nice food and ready to go to hotel.
And we now wait for Hayden to come back to service so we can have a small meeting with him to discuss today, see if he's happy with what we've done today. And after we've seen him and John, we then head to bed and get ready to go again tomorrow for the final day of Rally Japan.